We are using LIFTBOT for the first time on this project. LIFTBOT is a battery-powered material lifting robot designed specifically for scaffolding erection and dismantling, and it can be used with both system scaffolding and traditional tube and fitting scaffolding. The robot is lightweight, flexible and compact enough to be carried by hand with a very small footprint. This allows us to install it in areas where materials are typically lifted manually or with gym wheels, enabling a safer, more efficient and more controlled workflow. Due to site logistics, it wasn't physically possible to get a mains-powered hoist unit into the work location, so a battery-powered and smaller cage unit assisted on this project.
So this is our biggest project to date, height-wise. It's 72 metres tall. It's a very complex scaffold. So the reason for bringing in the LIFTBOT was to have less manual handling on the job.
It takes away the level of risk involved in transporting materials to the height of this building at 72 metres high.
Everybody's skeptical like with it because it's something new. In general, everybody's skeptical with anything new. But if you have the chance to actually go from installing it to use it, then you can see the big picture is easy to install and easy to use.
It's very easy to install, very efficient.
You save lots of time.
Yeah, you can definitely take up more scaffolding with the LIFTBOT than a rope and wheel.
So having the basket rotating into the scaffold mitigates any chances of materials falling. It's a great product.
Yeah, so it provides them a safer way of removing materials rather than sticking their arms and body out of the scaffold.
So the LIFTBOT's battery powered, which is a new thing for me. Obviously all our other hoists are mains driven, and that gives us good flexibility if there's a power outage as well. The LIFTBOT can still be used.
It lasts all day and it means that you don't need to connect to main power, which is stop the trip hazard of a wire.
And when it goes up in a safe manner and everyone gets to go home at the end of the day, then yeah, that's the most important aspect.
My impression of the LIFTBOT is anything that can make our job easier is good. So yes, only positives really. If a LIFTBOT is at the next project, I'll be very happy.